Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Future Dimensions 360. This is our tutorial number 11. I believe now we will start making a Node.js application, and we will learn the new concepts by using application, how we can create the application in Node.js, and the concepts of making an application, how it will work. We will learn in detail about them simultaneously by making a small application. But keep it in your mind that the application we are going to make, it will be very basic, as this tutorial series is for beginners only. So let's go ahead. What we are going to create, we are going to create a review application in which a customer can come and submit a review form. We can read those reviews on the server and try to display them back on different route. So what are the requirements? We will have one route that will be HTTP localhost on 888 port, and on whom we will show a review form from where customer can fill up the form and post the data on the server. And the server, we will read those data, and then we will return the user back towards the review link or review route where we can display all the reviews, whatever reviews are being posted. So let's begin, and we will say like how we can begin. We can start the implementation by dividing our implementation in different chunks. So here we can divide our implementation in four different chunks or four different parts. And we will, in the upcoming four videos, we will try to implement all these four modules separately. So let's say in the coming video, we are going to build a server. We will see how we can build a server by using Node.js. After that, we will see how we can handle the views, how we can implement views for the browser where we can show or we can take data. After that, we will see how the routers are working in Node.js and how we can implement routers and web servers. And afterward, we will see how we can handle the requests, how we can receive data on server, or how we can post data from the server. So these are very basic concepts of Node.js. In the coming videos, we will learn all these four concepts. By using these four concepts, how we can make a very small and basic application. So stay tuned. We will be meeting in the next video. Until then, please don't subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Goodbye.